Hey everybody. Hey, so it's been a while since I've been on here. Doing a kind of update. A lot of people following up and like, hey, where you at? And you okay? And haven't done any videos in a while. And yeah, there's been a reason for that. Is because I have literally just been so busy. I've been traveling a lot with this new job I've been working with for almost 5-6 weeks, and which is going to work out great. It's able to maintain this lifestyle that I'm after, which is being in this 16-foot trailer through this time commitment that I have, which I've increased. I'll talk about that in a minute. But what I mean is so my full-time RV life sucks is a little better because with this work, I'm traveling, and so I stay in a hotel when I'm traveling. And so I'm not always in here now. So, work, a couple weeks and come back for a week, and work a couple weeks, come back for a week. So I'm able to do a few more things different. But this last 4 to 6 weeks, I've been more like, out 3 weeks, back 1 week. And then I just got back from another round. So, I'm getting my legs out underneath me again. And I'm getting, I think I'm happy with the choice I made. I could have had a couple of other better paying jobs, and then just being in the same place, but I don't want to do that. I want to be able to have opportunities. This affords me that, and it still plays into a lot of my skills, so I can I can still do very well, but I also will have the time that I need to be on this quest I'm on. So one of the things I've done, so new goal. Well, it's not a new goal; it's a regurgitated goal that I just haven't talked about, but I was really hot on for a long time. I had some videos on it, but so that's why I've recommitted to stay here another 2 years from March, April till 2021, because what I'm going to do is work really hard and play really hard when I'm off doing the stuff I want to do, and to also get it ready to do some through hikes. And the first one I want to do is the Appalachian Trail, which is 2,400 miles. Some of y'all may know about it. But it's going to kind of, I hope, cap off this commitment of being this trailer into going on a long backpack journey on my own, for 4 to 6 months. And then from that point, I'll kind of decide what that leads me to, and where I'm at. Because I think I'm hoping I'll have some real good insight of what I want to finish my life doing overall, and get more zeroed in on that. I'm hoping. I'm also finding out that I'm to stop forcing things. I'm trying to force a lot of emotion and things like that, and it's easier. I'm starting to see now that if I just, this road that keeps being revealed to me, if I'll stop resisting it and just taking it and going with it, versus no, I need to do this, and no, I need to go this way, and no, I need to do it this way, it'll be a lot easier. So I'm learning around all that, and a lot of it is because of the engagement I've had doing these videos, and all the encouraging words people have had, some conversations that I've had, and people identifying with things that I'm going through, have gone through. That's really been helpful, again, because I've told everybody this is all therapy for me. This is why I'm doing this, and why I'm doing it on video and putting it out in the open, because I don't want, anyways, y'all, everybody knows why I'm doing that. So I'm going to try to stop, bringing things up and keep talking about going forward here. So my mom and her Alzheimer's, she is in a stable facility now. Still things with her state aren't real stable. That's getting worked on. And my sister and I went and saw her a few days ago when I got back in town. And her and I have really starting to reconnect. And she's 60 and I'm 58, and it's my only sibling. We've been estranged for 30 plus years, 10 years before that, just, trying to have a relationship just wasn't working. And then we really haven't had much connection or anything since we were, 7, 9 years old, after our, Mom finally left her dad because while we were kids, we were just being terrorized. So, talking to her and reconnecting with her has been great in so many ways, and I'm really happy about that. And hopefully it will continue. But it's also so painfully painful. It's just validating a lot of the memories that I have, and even being given more information about things that have brought up, I think, a lot of memories that I've suppressed, and just the physical and mental and the sexual abuse, and just some of the horrors that we went through just at that age, not including the things we've gone through as teenagers and on, but this is a path obviously I needed to find, because I wanted to learn more about me and what makes me tick, and why I've always made decisions I've made, and self-sabotage, just done some certain things, and I think this is leading me to understanding some of that, so I can stop some of those stupid behaviors. I'll tell you a quick story. So when I got back in town, I just didn't have a lot of time. I went to my kids, and I spent the night, and then ended up going out to see my mom. And when I got back, and my I had put my trailer in storage, because I'm not leaving it at a park. It's cheaper to put it in storage and then pull it out and pull in somewhere. And plus I wanted the versatility, even if I stealthed in Walmart for a night or two until I, figured something out for the next week, until I went back out on the road working. So, I told one of my eldest son I was going to do this, but, I just didn't have a lot of time. So I said, I'm just going to stay in my trailer in the storage facility. Well, I got busted. It was a decision I know that was wrong and I shouldn't have made, but it just didn't seem like it was a big deal. And it should have been. I think it should have been. Even though I may not agree with that being okay or not, or anything, that's just one of those dumb decisions, just a little dumb decision that I didn't make, but I made that decision. And the guy was pissed as hell at me, wouldn't let me talk, wanted to, give him some reasoning why, whatever. But I don't force that on people anymore. And I just, said, fuck it, and excuse my language. And I just, packed up and left, and I'm somewhere, and then I've got another place I'll store it at. So anyways, that's all cool, taken care of. But anyways, I want to let everybody know I'm okay. It's okay, and I have, I'm going to produce more stuff. I'm not monetizing my site right now. I have 1,300 plus followers, and thank y'all. And I need the comments. Please share this, subscribe if you haven't. This is, again, my therapy, and I want this out there as much if it helps anybody, because I got a lot of stuff, again, I want to say and talk about. This is my venue, and we'll try to expand this horizon and conversation around things. All right, everybody. So see y'all later. Thanks. Bye.